It's important to smell good not only for yourself but also for those around you. So, let's get started with some tips and tricks to make you smell great all day long. Step 1. Take regular showers. The first step towards smelling good is to take regular showers. Use a good quality soap or body wash to clean your body thoroughly. Make sure to pay special attention to your armpits, feet, and groin area, which tend to sweat more. Step 2. Use deodorant or antiperspirant. Using a deodorant or antiperspirant helps in controlling body odor caused by sweating. Choose a deodorant that suits your skin type and has a fragrance that you like. Make sure to apply it after showering and throughout the day as needed. Step 3. Choose the right fragrance. Choosing the right fragrance is important to smell good. Experiment with different scents and choose one that suits your personality and style. You can go for colognes, perfumes, or body sprays, depending on your preference. Step 4. Apply fragrance correctly. To apply fragrance correctly, spray it on your pulse points, such as your neck, wrists, and chest. Avoid overdoing it, as too much fragrance can be overpowering and cause headaches. Step 5. Take care of your clothes. Wearing clean and well-maintained clothes is important to smell good. Wash your clothes regularly and avoid wearing the same outfit multiple times without washing it. Also, make sure to store your clothes in a clean and dry place. Conclusion. So, those were some tips on how to smell good as a man. Remember to take regular showers, use deodorant or antiperspirant, choose the right fragrance, apply it correctly, and take care of your clothes. If you have any other tips or suggestions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.